All right, guys, I hope you got started today with your earthquake webquest because this is a um, webquest. It's going to take some time and could be tricky, so you need to follow step-by-step directions, like watch the video, click on the link, read the following, what a focus and an epicenter is, and take a look. So I want you to notice that all of these red dots represent areas of where earthquakes happened, and you'll notice that they trace out the shapes of our tectonic plates. So earthquakes happen frequently on plate boundaries and also major fault lines or minor fault lines throughout the United States. So the ones that do not happen, like the United States here, on on plate boundaries, you're noticing that they're happening on fault lines. So you'll go ahead and read. You'll read what a tsunami is. A tsunami is not a weather-related natural disaster. So you'll read what a tsunami is and what happens and what citizens can do to prepare. There will not be an answer key for this web quest because all of the answers are in the readings and the slides and everything you need to do. So if you have any questions, if you don't understand something, you need to email me. Okay, so seismic waves, you're going to learn that an earthquake will release its tension through waves, P waves, S waves, and L waves. You are going to be learning about P waves and S waves. L waves, yes, they do most of the damage. Those are called land waves. We do not study them. We study the P and S waves because that is what we infer the interior of the Earth by studying the paths and how the P and the S waves travel through the Earth's interior. Okay, you are going to notice that as the waves enter areas of greater depth and greater density, they will travel faster. They have different paths because P waves are primary waves. They can travel through solids, liquids, and gases where S waves cannot. You're going to read that S waves cannot travel through liquids, which we infer the outer core to be liquid, and notice that the S wave has never traveled through. Okay, and then you are going to continue this week on how to read a seismogram and a seismograph. So this is a seismogram. The graph is the machine that records the first P wave and the first S wave at a location. You'll notice that the closer the P and the S waves are on the seismogram, the closer you are to the epicenter of the earthquake, and it will take 3 locations to triangulate where the epicenter is for geologists. Okay, so you're going to read through those readings there, and then you're going to be looking on page 11 of your reference table and reading the video, what the x-axis is labeled as, what the y-axis is labeled as. Make sure you look at the x-axis intervals. Those are going by 200 kilometers. And the y-axis intervals, that's going by time, so it's by 20 seconds. 20, 40, 60 is your next minute, so be careful on that. And we are going to go over how to do page 11 of the reference table. So this was just an intro. There'll be another video later on this week, and there will be 2 Google Meets this week. Hope to see you there. I'll see you soon.